Come. Let's get it. You want me to move this for you?
No, that's fine. No.
Yeah.
We'll do it again with that.
तमन्ना मैम दादा एक सेकंड दादा
तमन्ना यहाँ पे लेफ्ट में।
हाँ निकालो नहीं तो ना एंटीक चेयर लगता है
अरे रहने दो ना।
No, this side. आजा। हाँ। तू मेरे साथ आजा।
हाँ जी यहाँ पर
इधर
हाँ मैम लेफ्ट में।
मैम here
या मैम या बोल दो तमन्ना मैम या मैम एक्सक्यूज मी इस तरफ
तमन्ना जी विक्टर
वन मोर मैम
Yeah, of course. Sabina.
तमन्ना जी
मैडम लेफ्ट। तमन्ना।
मैम या वन मोर
जाला ये हो गया आ जाओ इधर तमन्ना जी इस तरफ दीजिए ना एक फ्रेम अच्छा होगा
ये निकाल लेते
अरे रहने दो।
रहने दो ना इसके भी मैं थोड़ा
थोड़ा सा क्लोज हो जाओ
On the mirror reflection.
हाँ। ये पटेल। ये सुनील झाले का सांगा। हाँ आगे लेके जाओ। चलो थोड़ा हाँ। ये झाले का पार्टी है।
तमन्ना एक सेकंड रुक जाओ
ये लाइन.
सुजीत भाई थोड़ा पीछे। पीछे अच्छा।
तमन्ना जी
सुजीत भाई फ्लैट है।
हाँ
थोड़ा पीछे। एक मिनट। तमन्ना होल्ड।
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Fine.
सर
हो गया ना?
सेंटर वाइट हो इनका वाइट हो
Lovely drops, no lipstick and blush का drop. Get that now.
ऐसे लेस पे दो
मैं मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हूँ. नहीं, just a prop. It's just to show. ऐसे ही. हाँ. ठीक है. Okay. बढ़िया आपके.
गाइस पीछे आओ।
फोटो लेते नहीं इधर यार फोटो चल रहा है मैम इधर देखिए यो तमन्ना जी आप
तमन्ना जी यहाँ पे। तमन्ना मैम।
मैम यो
जिसके
मैम यो
तमन्ना लेफ्ट।
तमन्ना जी मैम
मेरी को मत तो जाके.
अरे जरा
ऐसे कुछ ऐसे कैन मार साथ में ऐसे ठीक है ना
तमन्ना जी ये हमने फोटो मैम अभी इधर देखिए वीडियो यो
Just a brush, no, I can't do a full on. You can get what I want. I cannot do anything more than this. नहीं ना, तो छोड़ दो. Come, let's on top. Let's just talk. Yeah, let's just whatever. No, fine.
तमन्ना जी।
यू नो हमारा दिन शुरू ही मेकअप से होता है एंड इनफैक्ट जितना ज़रूरी हमारे लाइफ में मेकअप है आई डोंट थिंक एनीथिंग एल्स इज एज इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज वी कैन प्ले सो मेनी डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स बिकॉज वी लुक डिफरेंट एवरी टाइम एंड a lot of without makeup it's really not possible. Of course today's time and age, makeup has evolved so much, and it's very different than it ever was. And मुझे ये सिखाने वाली शख्सियत आज आपके बाजू में, मेरे बाजू में खड़ी हैं. And so basically, you know, Billy kind of put it into my head that skincare is the new makeup. So you know, and for so many young girls out there who want to learn how to do their own makeup, and I think today the youth is really curious and is very informed, and you don't have to be a celebrity to want to know the perfect winged eyeliner or, you know, perfect eyes or lips, and everybody is educated about it. So to further educate you, there is Billy Manik, who has opened Out of the Box, and I know she's a very close friend. I mean, close friend is literally an understatement. We sleep together, and pun intended.
I can't believe you said that.
Yeah, so, and intimate details I know about her. So without getting into that, I can say that she's extremely passionate about OTB. That's what we call it. And it's not only, it's for all the girls out there. I mean, we've grown up wanting to play dress up every morning, and that's what we actually enjoy doing the most, and we're lucky to make a profession out of it, a job out of it, something like a livelihood out of it. So we are those few lucky people, and here we are to have fun, to call more people to OTB, you know, learn how to do their own faces, maybe to do makeup for somebody else, for their families, for their mums, their sisters, their bhabis, you know. There's so many people who want to learn how to do makeup. And आजकल शादियाँ तो बड़ी, you know, it's like the most important thing. जिसकी शादी हो रही है उसका तो it's like the whole world revolves around makeup, hair, clothes. So yeah, I mean, I think Billy is your man.
In your daily life, आप मेकअप में ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जिनके बगैर आप घर से बाहर ही नहीं निकलते?
मेरा तो पूरा मुंह ही मुझे थोपना पड़ता है जी, बिकॉज मेरा काम ही यही है. मेरा तो every day I'm playing a different character. I mean, I did a film like Bahubali where I had to change my complete skin tone, and that was what the requirement of the character. But in person, I think I'm very minimalistic. I barely put anything and just bare minimal to look alive and awake. So yeah, but yes, I really appreciate the fact that makeup can transform you. And I mean, I have, you know, I have my closest friend teaching me how to do it, so I'm sorted.
If you want to tell only one word to makeup, what can you say? मतलब makeup के लिए
Right now it's OTB. You know, if you want makeup, go get OTB.
आपसे जानना चाहिए
Yeah.
ये हम इसे पूरी हम देख रहे हैं बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल आपने इसे बनाया है और आज यहाँ पे तमन्ना भी यहाँ पे
Yes.
लॉन्च किया आपने यहाँ से
जी
क्या
हाँ.
फील करते हो क्या कुछ कहना
Well, right now, frankly, I have no words to say. She said everything. I have this big bubble in my stomach that I think just wants to burst.
Beware of makeup that gets stuck on your teeth. Yeah, that's like
See?
women's problem in their lives, like
Yeah.
lipstick on their teeth. You need to figure out a problem. You need
There
to figure out a
is.
solution.
There
for
is a
that.
solution.
What is
Remember?
it?
I've taught you.
Yeah. Okay. So if you, for girls, okay, is it makeup tip that our makeup artist is going to give for how, if you put a dark lipstick, how to not get it stuck on your teeth?
So it's very simple. You just take your finger, and that's it. It doesn't come on your teeth ever.
लड़कों को यहाँ पर कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है, ये क्यों पागल हो गए, ये लोग क्या बता रहे, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. But for the women out there who really want to, you know,
just when you especially wear a dark mouth and glossy lips, just take your finger, put it through your center of the lips and get the color off, and you're fine. They won't touch your teeth again. I forgot to do it today. Thanks.
तमन्ना जी और आगे क्या क्या कुछ प्रोजेक्ट करने वाले हैं क्योंकि हर कोई एक्साइटेड है बाहुबली पार्ट
we are doing, yeah. So Billy was the makeup artist on Bahubali, and now Bahubali Part 2. I'm going to start shooting for it in July. So yeah, I'm going to join the team very soon.
Thank you. Thank you.
You want wife's girlfriends, friends go? I shall teach them some tips.
आईडी कुछ बोल दीजिए
अच्छा picture.
Yeah, what do you do?
मैं इसको लेके आ रहा हूँ
तू ही कर ओके
दोनों इस एक
ऐसा मैं लगाऊं ये लगाएं
खुद लगाओ
सुन रहा है
देखो questo no cut your left side yes cut your left side
Sir, if you don't mind, can you come here and take the photo? Because I can't pose like this.
please cut your left side